Welcome to a captivating exploration of Legoland, an enchanting wonderland where creativity and imagination come to life through the iconic building blocks beloved by millions. Designed to delight families and LEGO enthusiasts alike, Legoland offers a multitude of activities that promise unforgettable memories. Today we will embark on a journey through the top things to do at Legoland, each promising a unique and thrilling experience. As you step through the gates of Legoland, the first sight that greets you is Miniland. This extraordinary display showcases miniature versions of iconic landmarks from around the world, all meticulously crafted from millions of Lego bricks. As you weave through this miniature metropolis, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details and the sheer artistry involved in recreating these global wonders. Miniland is not only an impressive feat of construction, but also a testament to the boundless possibilities of LEGO creativity. Next on our journey is the Kingdoms, a realm where fantasy and adventure reign supreme. Here, the young and the young at heart can embark on exhilarating rides that transport them into a world of knights, dragons, and medieval magic. Be sure to experience the Dragon, a roller coaster that combines the thrill of a ride with an enchanting narrative journey through a LEGO castle filled with amusing and animated scenes. For those with a nautical passion, the pirate shores beckon with promises of high seas adventures. Set sail on the captain's carousel, or brace yourself for a soaking good time on the Splash Battle ride, where strategically placed water cannons allow you to engage in a friendly skirmish with fellow sailors. In Pirate Shores, the spirit of adventure comes alive, igniting the imagination while offering plenty of splashing fun. As we continue our exploration, immerse yourself in the heart-pounding excitement of LEGO City. Here, young builders can step into the shoes of real-life heroes at the driving school, where they will navigate LEGO-themed vehicles through a cityscape designed just for them. The learning doesn't stop there. Youngsters can also participate in the Rescue Academy, where teamwork and quick thinking pave the way for success. LEGO City offers a unique blend of fun, education, and empowerment that leaves a lasting impression. Now, it wouldn't be a trip to Legoland without indulging in the wonder of creativity at the Imagination Zone. This area is where builders of all ages are encouraged to unleash their creativity and build to their heart's content. Whether you choose to construct a car to race down tracks or design your own unique LEGO masterpiece, the Imagination Zone is a hub of innovation and inspiration. As our adventure through Legoland draws to a close, remember that this magical place is more than just a theme park. It is a celebration of imagination, creativity, and the joy of discovery. With countless activities and attractions catering to every interest, Legoland invites you to create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your sense of wonder and embark on a journey through the world of LEGO, where every brick tells a story and every experience builds a cherished memory. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Legoland. We look forward to seeing you creating your own adventures in this magical world soon.